Yeah.
But then if you don't have the tools, I won't recommend you to. I won't recommend you to go and do it by yourself.
Actually, it's just a pin, right? That you pin down, that's all, right?
Correct. But you have to make sure it's correct also because you sometimes when you knock you see come out from here again one.
Oh,
Make sure
okay.
the thing is inside the washer also. So
actually interesting. Actually, anytime it can drop out also. If it's just like that, there's no catch or anything.
Won't drop out.
One,
because this one inside in between is the washer. As long as the pin is inside the washer, okay already.
Oh, okay. So when you're knocking out at that time, right, you're knocking it past the washer, that's why you will pop out right?
Alright.
Yeah, very exciting.
See too much come out from here again already.
Oh, okay. So now you're just like adjusting it back like that
right? Make sure it's at middle Like that then won't come out
Yeah, true. So now you're taking out another link
Take out very easy
Okay.
Oh, see in between they got the washer here.
Oh, okay.
See, right?
Got it. So now you're just like adjusting it back on both sides. Oh, cool. Very nice.
Quite roundly made.
Yeah, I love this watch actually. It's so cool. Yeah, look at that. Yeah.